Let's go, guys. Good morning, good evening. Finally we are back and functional. Webcam was not working. The camera actually was not working earlier. That's why we are a little late. Here we are, guys. Here we are, ready to push. Good morning, good day, good evening. Greetings, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Wish you an amazing day, and I welcome you. Well, we're gonna trade as usually Nasdaq, and we're gonna follow through the price action. Hoping and trying, and obviously executing properly in terms of tradings. Lucid, FundedSeat, Blusky, top one, and if we got time, we're gonna do Savius too, as much as we can. Thank you so much, guys, once again. Well, the downtrend is still continuing. That's one thing surely and fully confirmed out here. We have 5 candlesticks of 4 hours, which are pushing the price action downwards. So let me just go ahead and invite people on stream. Make sure you guys do the same thing. Feel free to invite everyone on the live stream, all the trading groups, all the communities, pretty much everywhere. Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, all the groups you guys are aware, and have fun. Bring them on. Friends, neighbors. It's time to join. Yeah. Trading below the weekly VWAP, and we had no reaction there, so it's quite weird. Just a few minutes ago we were dealing with today's low. What are you guys expecting? Good evening, welcome. What are you guys expecting from this one? If I would be to measure some of the things, yeah. Good day, good morning, great to see you. We're live, chat. We are live. And we're gonna start trading with our FundedSeat account, which is having 2,500 bucks profit. We have a daily loss limit of 1,100 here. So we actually need to double the size, and I'm targeting 1,000 daily. With FundedSeat, your target for their instant funded, what we're trading, instant funding, FundedSeat Bold. Today, you think is going to be bullish. I am testing out a little short here. We have tons of volatility today, tons. Not gonna go heavy on sizing. I'm waiting for... Yeah. Exactly. That could be the name of the game today. Barcoding, temporary momentum driven price action. I don't think the predictability and the safety today is high in terms of the way we read and execute. Yeah, there's still some money to be made. We're gonna have the stop loss break even set for this one, guys. Targeting $1,000. This is looking great so far. Trading in profit. Yeah. Scrembo's on fire. We're not gonna hurry up here with the sizing. Beautiful. We have a daily loss limit that I set up on 1,100. We're doing an experiment, guys. We're doing an experiment. Yeah. This is looking great. Wondering about a target, but as a first approach, I would target the starting point of that in. Oh, they're pushing it back. Oh yeah, they pushed this one back, guys. Speaking of the devil, we have 300k today. If we hit the likes target, which is 180 likes for the Firmalo. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. A lot of the earnings today, so price action can be nasty. Looks like it wants to go higher, and it's good to use a profit trailing quickly. Not only saves your ass, but it sets you on the right direction by clearing a trade which might not have sufficient life. You obviously want to do that. You don't want to force something that this is something I could think about longing for a breakout here. And probably I'll take my shot on the blue sky as well. The blue sky or 200k static having 202. So we have $4,000 drawdown, guys. Lovely. This is a lovely one. Keep it going, buddy. Keep it going. Keep it going. We're nicely loaded up on both sides. Exactly, FundedSeat bold. How many FundedSeat you can have? 5 funded accounts. 5. Yeah, FundedSeat is running a massive advantage with that. Currently they're 50% off, so big promotion on board. It's 5% target basically for their instant funding on instant funding bold, FundedSeat bold. 5% target, daily payouts from the second cycle, and no consistency with the second cycle. First cycle is just 20% consistency, and I mean it's the industry average, right? 20%. Plus you have 5% target, which is below the industry standards. Thank you. Are we just going to stop here without grabbing a few extra points? I don't think I can be highly demanding from the price action, so I'm gonna increase my sizing and lower the distance with the target, keeping the same amount of money for the exit. $1,000 here. Targeting $1,000. Oh yeah. Come on, press the pedal. I'm not gonna be able to go break even. We don't have space and distance here. Look at that. It's teasing me. Teasing me big time. I don't like it. Unless we finally move, I don't like it. Come on. You gotta do something here, otherwise I'm gonna get out of this. You gotta do something, otherwise I'll be out of this. Remember what I'm saying. We're sitting here, 5 minute. You know, the weekly VWAP is a little bit higher. It's sitting on 76. I'm not targeting above that in case it rejects. So we're actually targeting 75 to touch it. It would be quite silly not to do the extra points Filling up the gap and the distance we have here. What a strong and powerful green candle we had there on the 1 minute on my short. We had an interesting short. They dropped that green candle and then totally stopped continuing buying. As usually you would say. And I do agree with that. As usually you would say so. I like with the blue sky we're having steady drawdown. And the money we'd made yesterday is not just profit, it's also extra drawdown. I'm not really used to this guy, so it's a different venture. Yeah, not looking good. Yeah, I'm putting my stop loss. Yeah. We put a stop loss there. 731, accepted that loss. On the other side, we're continuing. We're having a different sizing here, and it's a different way of handling the risk management. Well, surely you're gonna win. I wish you good luck, buddy. Ooh. This is such a silly price action, guys, here. Look at that. Attacking the path. Coming down for the shorts we had. Coming down for the shorts we had. This is where we had our target, basically, for our shorts. That got to be open from here earlier. Got to be open from there. Yet they had to do that very strong 1 minute candle. That was a very strong 1 minute candle, guys. And then nothing afterwards. That's called dirty. Dirty maneuvers. I don't like that. Dirty maneuvers. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We're running that 300k giveaway. Keep that in mind. The link is there. The link is also in our Discord community. Working my way for the 5th account on Lucid. Yesterday was the first day of that Lucid Pro we have. Monday we passed it. Tuesday we made close to 3,000. Today we're going to target anything between 1,000 and 3,000. And then we're only going to need another day. So maybe for Friday, if not Friday, then Monday, we'll have the ability to request the payout from all the 5 accounts. The 4 accounts we have next to that one are ready for the payout, guys. They're just waiting. They're just waiting to press the green button. Online hub. You want to consider basically Lucid as the best prop firm in the space, but then also it depends what you need. Lucid Flex is no consistency on the funded stage. No target. Or if you want a 1-day pass, then Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro is 1-day pass. You can pass the evaluation in 1 day. Flex, you need 2 days. And we have strategies basically for that prop firm, a lot of strategies on how to trade those accounts, the defensive approach, the offensive approach, and many other strategies online hub. So you can certainly look into. This is crazy, guys, the way it came down. After showing momentum and strength here, look at that. So after showing all that momentum and strength, suddenly the whole thing disappeared and things switched around. I'm still looking around here for a bounce. For this account, we are supposed to have another 270 bucks drawdown left for the day before we touch the daily loss limit I set up, or maybe even more, like 300. So, yeah. Good morning, good day. 29,000 at this time. Well, maybe we're gonna wait for the New York session for the 29,000. If we break below, then you want to see the New York session might bring the opposite than what we do right now in the London. Yeah. I wouldn't be that enthusiastic about undercut here on 95. You see? I'm watching this one, but cheers everyone. Have a good time. Have a good time and take a shot. We're gonna take it slowly, Ray. Slowly but steadily. Slow and steady wins the race. Yes, I'm using Savius. Yes, yes. We're just not having that much time, basically, to trade on the stream, but we're using Savius. They're running 70% off. Yeah, Sebastian. Everything's fine there. Nothing changed. That's a lot easier. I sold partially here. Half of my sizing, so basically I accepted the loss here. I had to do that. I think I can buy lower. But this is so weird that they can take it back to my entry, which is quite high. And I was betting for... yeah. So weird, guys, so weird. Oh, that's a good one. Exactly, Sebastian, good job. An Italian company, yes. An Italian company. Trade C with Lucid. Well, Trade C is lagging. It has slippage. It's not... I mean, you can give it a try and see if they got to make an update on that stuff, guys. But at the time I was testing out Trade C and we made a tutorial, it was not the best choice. That's a good one. 50s are also a good target for me to get out of this in a loss and accept the loss. We have a lot of drawdown in the account that's static. So I'm going basically Quant Tower for Lucid. Not comparable. Sold 5 more. Yeah. I'm fully out here. I'll take the 943. Not an issue. We were down 1,800 or something like that when we were trading 30 points lower. So I could consider We're exiting on a little swing here. So what platform do I use to trade FundedSeat? I use Volumetrica with deep chart. This one, Volumetrica deep charts with a DX feed connection. It is the best, I would say. It is the best. Testing out. Account is paused, user daily loss limit is hit. But my daily loss limit, it says I hit 1,100. But we don't have 1,100 loss, guys. We have a lot less than that. I think I got the wrong settings based on equity value. I'll look into that soon. I'll change the settings. Wow, what's happening with this? That's not my theme. Get me back to my platform. Oh, here we go. Stop saying we're not connected. So we have 731 loss. We don't have 1,100. But I think I got the wrong settings for this. Look at that. Edit risk. And it's set up maximum equity 1,100. You guys can see that. Alright? Changes will be effective from next session. We're going to change to mode maximum balance instead of maximum equity, right? So we're going to refer to the balance and I'll confirm. Things will change from the next session. We only lost 700 bucks. But we're stopped out. Continuing with the next one, not an issue at all. Continuing. I'm testing out a short here with a stop loss right above the structure. Having a clear trade. Look at that risk and reward. 300 bucks for the loss. 1,600 for the profit. Look at that one, guys. 6 times. Almost 6. Oh! Oh, what happened there? Oh. Celebration time. Clothes on fire. It's getting terrifying. Oh, boom. Volumetrica. I use Volumetrica deep charts. I used back in the day. I used. For Wirem. We're not trading Wirem. Obviously, they put out the war news. And the oil is ripping. Rip it. But look at that buyback. Unbelievable. Faster than every 6 months. Crazy candle enough to put me on great profits, guys. We had what? 1,600. So I had a $300 stop loss and 1,600 take profit. Oh my gosh. So that's the thing, his posts. So 150,000 static basically. Scrembo 30, it is the Blusky Propel. $119 will come out. Pip Guru. Scrembo 30. Propel 150k static. I'm trading on deep charts by Volumetrica. This one, the first one. That's where I'm trading. So we have 622, guys. We might be able to target that $2,000 today as well. And then we're going to have $6,000 drawdown. You know, the static accounts, it's a little harder once you start because you want to accumulate on your drawdown just you make on the profits. But then once you see the numbers, this is different, guys, than compared with the trailing, and it makes a big difference. Right, so for those of you that like to get started with static accounts that you can find in Blusky, I made a video on Blusky, a review. We have a video on the payout rules. You got to sign up that link. Yeah. But the markets do not care. You guys can see that. It's just something that grabs the liquidity and runs back. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The way of not caring about it is unbelievable. Make sure to like the video, everyone, guys. We got to collect those likes and make sure we're going to hit 180 on time. Remember, I would say that was a good trade without necessarily expecting he's going to post. Good morning, good day, Fred. Best of luck. Wow. Slowly grinding back. We're relonging this, guys. We're relonging it. Yeah. I think it has chance to surprise everyone and push a little higher. Yeah. Look at that. Clearly, the 29,000 is power. It's clear, right? We just have the flat hour opening candle that did not generate any mess. So this is interesting, guys. From a 2,000. Oh, there you go. That's a good one. Mr. Nifar, it's a good one. You were on the right side. Push, push. Keep on pushing. Keep on going, keep on pushing. I added to this, so I'm running max sizing. Yes, I like all the features, and the way this thing moves is really well with Volumetrica Deep Charts Pip Guru. Really well. All the execution with the daily lockout, with the account selection, with no slippage, with no lag, with nothing like that. Volumetrica with their deep charts. Raise the bar. Come on, come on. That is a decent target there. Looking at the price section, I'm certainly not requiring breakouts. And I couldn't be called out for being too greedy. Come on, guys. If this is rejecting, obviously I'm going to use trailing in profit. 40 bucks. You don't want to have here Trump posted again, don't you? I'm wondering if we're going to touch that wick down around the 60s on the New York session, guys. if they're gonna go for the liquidity on the New York session. I am wondering. Oh, that was so close, but I think... What on earth? The wick is touching my order, guys. What on earth have they done to me? The wick is touching it. There's no distance. Oh. They pushed it back. Push back to grab it. Now take it back. Put it on 29,000. Come on. $1,145 profit here, guys. We're so close having this guy funded. Boom. Celebration. Back-to-back good trades. Back-to-back good trades. Yesterday we made $50,000 on my Lucid. 50. For those of you that were wondering, I posted about it on my Discord. Look at that. 51,950. Total P&L, net P&L. 51K. You guys want to be part of our Discord? You surely. Thank you. One tick. Here's the Discord link, guys, specifically. And you don't want to miss out on the giveaways. You think the price section is not deserving a push here for the weekly VWAP? 76 before it drops again? We made 1,145 on this static. So we have 5,134 drawdown. Well, maybe you should stop, exactly. Maybe you should stop. Surely. Almost 700. Take that winner. It makes a lot. And if you have back-to-back winners in terms of these, the risk of becoming extremely greedy is higher. At some point, you start believing in a unbeatable person. Start believing you fully cracked the code and there's not going to be any losses. You know what's the next step, guys? It's, losing the account in a one shot. So I do find difficult times when having 6, 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days in a row of green numbers back to back, right? Think about it. You become invisible to the reality of the markets. I do remember back in the day we had our highest point with Tick Trader when they used to be nice. We traded Tick for a very long time. They've been online for 4 years, guys. So there's, companies out here you see in the space of props, young companies or companies that have many, many years that could actually go down. Oh, yeah. So here we are, guys. Let me pick up my phone and see what's happening, what's going on there. Good morning, good day. Mark is ready for a shot. And we nicely monetized. But I don't know what to say at this point. Probably have to open up Quant Tower with the Lucid. We got a trade on. Our Lucid. Wow. It's going to that weekly wheel up 75. It's going. Better not sleeping around here. We got stuff to do, Nasdaq. There's a lot of space. There's a lot of space. So here's the Lucid Pro we have, which is the 5th funded, the only one needed to be converted. It's the 2nd day today. Lucid Pro, 2nd day today, the only one needed to be converted for a great max payout of 15,000. Well, we're going for a little long here, guys. Four minis. Not targeting anything wild. I've actually longed it on my Blusky account too. We're actually gonna target 2,000 bucks today if things are going so nicely. You don't need to download deep charts because it's web-based, volumetric and web-based Pip Guru. What's the account I'm recommending? Well, we have two different choices, two different evaluations. We have the Lucid Pro, which is 1-day pass. And it's nicely discounted right now. Lucid Pro, 1-day pass, but you have 40% consistency on the funded stage, and you gotta make money above the buffer to cash out, right? So you have the buffer, withdrawals are above the buffer. That's the Lucid Pro. And we have the Lucid Flex, which is no consistency on the funded stage, no target, minimum 5 days of trading. And you have basically consistency on the evaluation, which is 50%. So 2 days pass. Depends what you like. We're trading both. We're trading both. About to hit the target, guys. About to hit the target on both accounts. Oh. Look at that. This is close on hitting the target, guys, on both platforms. Exactly. Good day, welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you. Looks like they're making sure this is not gonna be that easy as it looks like. I got to DC on my Lucid trade. We're having 6 instead of 4 minis. Still longing the possible tab here for an extra swing. I think we need a wick for a clarification of that, for a confirmation of that, so it is a risky trade, but I'm quickly going to be out. So I'm just going with the flow, with the logic. Price action is still looking comfortable here. Hopefully we don't get anyone posting any tweets and truth and on 6 minis. That's going to be something. We're exiting on 65. Come on, man. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We're looking good. Oh, about to hit it. Come on. Keep it going. Ha ha ha. Oh, no way. Yeah, I'm going to put a stop loss break even for my volumetric. Oh, there you go. We hit it here. What about the other side? Yeah, we're going to get out. Yeah, 724, guys. Celebration. 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 Fireworks. 724. An absolute winner at a risky spot. Risky. Perfect. And then this one all the way up to 1,468, putting me on a 5,500 drawdown. This is so good. VWAP is a little bit higher, the weekly, on a 76. So yeah. Thank you. Make sure to join our Discord community and push those likes if you want to be part of the giveaway. You gotta sign up and push the likes. Streaming from Monday to Friday. Yeah. What do you guys think about the next 5-minute candle? Market is opening soon. The next 5-minute candle is going to send us in the ogle. $150,000 static blue sky. Certainly you want to trade micros. Yeah. And you got your $3,000 basically. Target 2%, only 2% account size for the evaluation. But you want to start off slow basically. So I would target for the first day on that account. Anything that is around $500 is already a good winner because it increases your drawdown by 50%. Your drawdown when you start at 1,000, it's static. It's static. It's 1,000. So anything around 50% increase of your drawdown after your first day of trading is a great achievement. Then the next day you're going to have 1,500, and that's a whole different thing. You can target another between 500 and 1,000 the second day. That's right. And your drawdown is going big. So the excitement, oh yeah. Few more seconds to go for this one. Every time you gotta fill the giveaway form, we have a new link for daily. Market's pushing a little bit, guys. And we have the 5-minute candle we talked about. This is the weekly VWAP here, so I haven't got into a short, something that I was thinking about. It looks like I'm still waiting more. I don't want to rush this. Not worth it. And you perfectly know that, guys. We don't need to rush our trades. What a difference with today's and yesterday's high. What a difference. Between the daily opening and today's high, we only have 27 points. Alright, so we just managed to stay for about 25 minutes above the daily opening. And then throughout the whole day, this has been under the water. Yeah. $46. This is a uptrend that we have here, artificially constructed and kept it on algo purchases. Look at that, how perfect it looks like. So I'm wondering, what are we gonna get from the 5-minute algo? What are we gonna get? There is no boom. I think you're delayed. You guys want to make sure to click the live button so you're gonna be connected with me. We're having like 6 seconds delay, 6-7 seconds. So you want to make sure to be right there. Hello everyone, welcome guys. Greetings. We're having a great day. Oh yeah. This could be an interesting situation of a short. I'm lending it. I'm also going to lend it. For my Lucid account. One minute and the how to win the giveaway. First you gotta sign up and then be on the stream. We're doing the giveaways on the stream. Right, so you have to be here, watch the live stream, and at some point we're doing the giveaways. We have the 5-minute algo. Doing interesting things soon. In a few seconds. Yeah. It's pushing higher. Let's see. Let's see what's the next step. Is this thing going to get denied a Skindle? We have 5 minutes to go. Market opens. I like this denial so far. We got in a short here as well, guys. We have shorted this move. Yeah, take profit just in case, exactly. Just in case we get another post. But no. They are keeping the same path. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. High risk now with the opening and I'll get out basically. Even from the other side, I'll have to get out. From both FundedSeat, Blusky, we'll have to get out from Lucid to accept the loss. I don't want to sit here with the opening. It could give us another 50, 60, 70 points the upside as a noise pops, and that's not going to be welcomed. I don't need that. I don't even want to have the risk of a potential move like that. So I'll be out before the opening. I'll give this price action a few minutes to give me the juice. That 1 minute candle we had is engulfing and could be promising if they are leaving this one without the buying pressure turned. You want to stop the algo. This is reversing once it's stopped. Yeah, it's a good resistance, but you know, with the opening we can easily smash 100 points on good resistances. But I like this one, guys, for the moment. I like this one, about to hit the target there. Oh my gosh, come on, man. Come on, do it. Beautiful, 972. Profit there. Here, I'm gonna downsize. I have to downsize. Yeah, I got out fully. I accepted a little loss. And I accepted a little loss, basically. From the other side, from Lucid. Absolutely lovely, guys. 170 profit here. 1246 profit on Blusky, so we're fine. We just gave away 200 bucks. Boom. And then on the other side for FundedSeat, we made 1,000. That's our target here for our instant funding bolt. Thank you. That was a good way to exit. There's still 1 minute to go and a few more seconds. Oh. 15 seconds to go, guys, for the opening. We're gonna ring the bell. There we go, let me ring it. Best of luck, everyone. Oh. 140s for the VWAP. 140s, 200 EMA, 145. Yeah, we gotta keep it tight. We don't want to mess around with losses. We gotta keep it tight. This would be an interesting level for me, guys. 145. If I would get that price, wouldn't be bad to test out a short at 145 for me. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Relonging this here with 5 micros. Not going to do anything crazy. I'm going for the 145 target. Look at that. Now we're going to go stop loss break even soon. Oh yeah, I like it. I am not sure if I want to re-short this, but I'm gonna get out there. I'll have stop loss break even here, guys. In case this is going, yeah. We touched the break even. I'm shorting with a stop loss right at the starting point of this candle. It's an ugly one, indeed. It's an ugly and risky. Alright. I'll take that. If you manage to do such wicks, I'll take that all day. But now the question is here. What are you gonna do? I got in a short again. I got in a short for my Lucid as well. Oh yeah. Let's trade other FundedSeat accounts that we've got. The instant funding Bolt. Reshorting this one too. I like it. I'm pretty much short everywhere. Including on my Lucid. We opened the trade on the big value accounts. Look at that. 10 minis short. Will it stick? Beautiful. Oh. Come on. We're making money here as well. We're making money here. Bring it back to my 1,000. It's not easy with the shorts, guys. I can tell you. They have to deliver here quite tight. Let's see the next 5-minute candle. Very important. That one opens right now. This is very important. Are we gonna leave such an efficiency here? Wow. Yeah, we're gonna use the break even here for my Lucid Big Belly accounts. We have to. We have to. A stop loss for the Lucid Pro and a break even. A trailing break even. Come on. Oh yeah, this one has to drop. Otherwise, I'm glad to be out. And oh yeah. We're about to hit the target, guys. We need this money here on this Lucid Pro so bad. We need this money so bad. We're putting trailing, profit trailing. The Big Belly is making a ton. If they don't buy this thing up, that would be so silly. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god. We had our shorts pretty much everywhere. Now it's just a Big Belly that remained. I don't even know, guys. Yeah, I'll be exiting there. I'm fully out. 2,300 in the Big Belly. Yeah, better than nothing, because this would have been nothing on break even. Exited earlier, better than nothing. You got to make a step forward at some point. You see markets are not reversing. Well, get out. Yeah, indeed. It is. Longs are still controlling this. Yeah. We got to test a little long. Oh, but that's a massive, massive rejection. No. We just gave the profits back on the Big Belly. We're down 955. Luckily, we have $365,000. So yeah. A bottleneck. That's what we got here. Could be one thing to test out a short. Yeah, we got it. Plus, Wow, what a scam, guys. Look at that. What a scam. Brought back to the top again. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. I'm going with the momentum, but the momentum is totally missing. We're just driving them crazy. This one, we're short pretty much everywhere, guys. Even on our Blusky, even on FundedSeat, short pretty much everywhere. So 160 supply is nicely on point. I just want to see that pressure turned off. Yeah, well, let's go for that 115. I do see it here. We're sitting 3 contracts on this Lucid Pro. 4 contracts. Damn. Another candle. Another candle the other way around. Ho, ho, ho. Ah. Wow. Another candle the other way around. I don't know if he's tweeting. Yeah. Not looking good for this pro. Yeah, we got stopped out for... We put a stop loss for the Blusky. We gave back the profits, and we're down 292. Static drawdown. It's the advantage there. But even this way, you don't want to do it. We put a stop loss for our Lucid Pro at the top of that wick. Yeah. Pushing it back. Obviously, we got stopped out there. Weak resistance so far here. Weak. On the 5-minute, expected more, guys. Expected more. Certainly not over yet. Yeah. This is running. Look at that. 250 points, 260 points, guys. Massively pumping. So after the news were posted, after we had that dump, it is just a non-stop buying pressure attached. I'll get out of this. Daily opening 310. Yeah. Interesting right now. On the 200s. Our Lucid account is down 4,000. Very hard to recover this one. It's just 500 bucks left. It's the 5th funded. We only had, this was be the 2nd day basically in the funded stage. But very likely we're going to request basically a payout from 4 accounts, not from 5. Again, the 5th is a nightmare. The last time we had 4 accounts as well. Beautiful drop, beautiful. I like it. Oh yeah. I like this. Exactly. The 5th. I still think I have another Pro ready to be activated, so if we lose this one, and I'm reshorting this on a single contract, let's see guys, this little bounce we had, reshorting it, can we save something that's down 4,000 and having just an additional 500 bucks? I'm out here, so we're 3,700, we added an extra 300 bucks drawdown. We were having 500 with an extra 300. It's good. It's good we exited there. Look at that. Alright. Haven't done the same thing on our Blusky. I was taking care about Lucid. Yeah, still a massive payout is going to be $12,000. We can take that out any day because it's ready. But we just wanted to go when with 5. Well, we have payouts with Lucid, but on different accounts in the past. Yeah. With the current accounts, it's with 2 accounts is the first. With the big belly would be the 2nd. Yeah, with the big belly accounts, it will be the 2nd payout, and with the other 2, it will be the 1st. I would test out to reshort this. Yeah, I've reshorted on my pro account. Single contract reshort. You know, I cannot long it because that would be hedging, right? We have the big belly shorts. I'm tied up to that, but this is looking nice for a continuation. Bring it, bring it. Oh, yeah, beautiful. I'm out here a little bit. Yeah, we have 3,479. I'm out from my blue sky as well. Oh, great. 217 bucks. Oh, there you go. This is why we're out. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It is losing strength till the very moment you say that, and then it rips. I'll be testing a little long here. 10 micros. Yeah. We also got in along for our Lucid Pro. The ones we're trying to save from the 4,000 being down. We're just trading it with a single contract, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we can... Oh, yeah. Stop loss break even. Oh, yeah. And we touched the target here on my blue sky. We had a target there. We don't have anything for the Lucid. 329 on blue sky. We're down 2,000 just a few minutes ago. It whips around. But as long as it makes money, I like it. Come on. I am profit trailing. And I'll have a take profit right there, sitting on 232. That would be a massive, massive achievement, guys. To save an account that has 4,500 drawdown from 4,000. This would be a massive achievement, just a little bit more. We're gonna trail at the starting point of this candle. Watch out, guys. This is looking great. We're already... Yeah, I'm out there. Beautiful. 2,070 down. 2,700. Fireworks, guys. This is huge. This is huge. And it was a tough one. It was a tough one. Okay. Oh. We are green. Or we are about to go green. Drawdown is different right now. From 500, we almost have 2,000. We have 1,800. It's not that I fear the daily opening on 310, but I am actually wondering. Yep. Ooh, you're right about it. That's the problem there, and I have to sort it out. That's not good. FundedSeat got down. Oh. I'm questioning this levels, guys. I'm questioning those levels. Would be a nightmare. So you touch that, right? Yeah. We need more likes. 20 minutes and it ends. Remember, guys, 20 minutes and it ends. We gotta hit the target of 180 likes in 20 minutes, maximum 23 actually. To be totally accurate, we gotta hit 180 likes. So if you want to join the giveaway, you have to respect the rules. You have to be subscribed. You gotta like the video, and you have to fill up the form. You gotta be part of our Discord community. Yeah, exactly, Maddie. You got this one. You got this one. You got this one right. Market's still going slowly. I will be... The price is running non-stop with all the news, with that significant drop. You see the price section no longer cares about this post anymore. It's so well known that it lacks value. Yeah, so 2 minutes, I'm back. 2 minutes, be right back. Two minutes. yeah. Here we go. Back fully functional. What do you guys think about that daily opening? Well, they're actually expecting basically on the same theory. Buy the news, sell the news. It has worked. Most of the time. I'm probably testing along here in the next 1 minute. Yeah. I got it along here. Beautiful. Trailing out. Trailing out on break even. Oh yeah. Look at that. The first significant red candle. Here we go. Well, I don't know if they are capable of running the tape without touching the daily opening, or even higher, maybe all the way up to yesterday's high. If we take this one to the daily opening 310, I would say the liquidity is hiding higher, 365 on yesterday's high. I think you could test out those levels. Once again, guys, we've got 17 minutes to go to hit the target of the likes for the giveaways. 180, sign up. Interesting. The pressure always steps in. When you guys think it's over, the pressure comes back in business. Says, hold my beer. I wanna smash some of the guys. We sold our big belly positions down a lot. We accepted the loss and we're going to rebuild that. We're down 27 on one, 27 on the other, right? So 27,000 on the big belly with this move. We had that short open. And now we're trading the Lucid Pro that was 500 bucks away from the max loss. Lovely, I like this for the moment. I like this for the moment. Come on, guys, rip it. Stop loss break even here. We're trailing profits. Come on, just a little higher. Oh yeah, I'm out. 1,500 loss. And on the other side, 995. We touch a target here for the blue sky. 995 profit. Great job. Whew. Oh, congratulations, Badger. Look at that one. All accounts on consistency level. First in a while. Good job, buddy. I'm relonging this. I'm actually very stubborn on that. Relonging this. Yeah. Relonging this for a continuation. Look at that. I relonged it on my blue sky too. And I'll get out as soon as we overcut. Good job. Can we do something else than a simple double top here reversal? Simple double top. It becomes dangerous and too easy for the shorts. Too easy for the shorts to make money here. Hitting me hard in this one. Double top worked out so far. We'll have to get out of this. We'll have to get out of this. The account is not having a ton of a buffer. And we're giving profits back, basically. From our... Yeah, from Blue Sky, we're giving profits back. Plus here... Let's see. Let's see, what are we up to? Great, great. So giveaways will start in 10 minutes. Yeah. It can't be that easy, double top reversal. Nah. Every time you trade as patterns, you get wrecked. Yeah. Where are the bulls? Where are the bulls? Nowhere to be found. I've DC'd a little here. And if we get an impulse, I'm gonna be out. Trust me, I'll be out. If we don't get an impulse, I'll be out as soon as the candle turns red. Here you go. I'll take that loss, not an issue. 2,800. I'll take the loss on the other side too. We're down 384. You gotta do that. You gotta do what you gotta do. Daily VWAP 160s. 60 points gap. But I would measure the golden pocket here for the swing we had. The golden pocket is sitting at 160s, 170s, and between that. So that would be very interesting because it comes in connection with the 200 EMA and the daily VWAP. Plus a previous uptrending channel top. So internally, that price action on today's price action, as a time frame, it reacted. It reacted well. Yeah, the 1 minute is showing something else here, so we have some contradictions. 10 minutes to go, 9 minutes to go for the giveaway. Maybe Patel is giving accounts today. But not to us. but certainly not to us. I'm thinking about grabbing a short here at the opening of the candle. I'm thinking. Even though I might be a little bit early with that, I'm thinking. There you go. 2 minutes short. In case we continue following this pattern. And it's not just an extended bull flag. Because then I'll have to deal with a loss. I like that rejection. Come on. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Take it as a bounce, a fake bounce, that get bounced, and continue the pattern. Generate that lower high here after the double top. Double top plus lower high. Come on. Oh. Yeah, we got our short. We got our short ready to make some money on the other side as well. Now, hopefully, this is not going to get reversed here in a silly way, making me rush without taking the big bag. No, you got to bring this one. Oh my God. I'm not trailing yet. I'm not break even yet. No. I'm not doing that yet. Good morning, good day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. This is an account that was $500 away from the max loss. We lost 4,000. The max loss is 4,500. Funded. And now we have saved a lot. But I think we're going lower, so we're leaving it open. We're leaving it open. Can we, guys, break that? Can we break that level? And come back to our previous high right there. This one right there. That one right there. We're not trailing. We're not trailing yet. We're not touching. Our short is open here as well. Wow, come on. Beautiful, beautiful. This would be... The exit is 207 here for my blue sky. 206 for my Lucid. This trade... Come on. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna trail above this candle, guys. Trailing. Profit trailing at the top of the wick of the current candle. Profit trailing at the top of the wick of the current candle. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. What a lovely situation. Beautiful. Hit that target. Come on. Hit that target. Hit that target, boy. Hit that target. I'm out. Oh yeah, lovely. We made all the money needed. What about here? Yes, perfectly hitting the target here. 1,364 and we cleared. What was that? It was a few hundreds of dollars lost and we cleared that. And then on the other side, we cleared a massive loss from here too. Oh my gosh. We're celebration time, guys. We're celebration time. This was $500 away from the max loss in the funded stage. And since that, we made 3,000. Do the math. We were down 4,000 and it's 4,500. Yeah. Indeed. Oh, there it goes. I'm still watching this. And you guys. Yep. I'm reshorting here on Blue Sky. 10 contracts. Not gonna go wild. In case it wants, I'm trailing profit. Yeah. I'm trailing for the profits. In case we go for the golden pocket 160s. Nah, we touch the trailing profits. Now it comes back. I actually opened it long. 5 contracts only. 10 contracts. I got in long for my Lucid as well. A little late, but I'm in for something stronger. Let's see. Can we build something temporary here? Come on. 251 is hitting my target for Blue Sky, putting me on 2,000 bucks profit. Look at that. 258. Yeah, I'm 251 target, guys. 2,000 for my Blue Sky. It would put me on this static account of 2,000 of 200k, $6,000 drawdown. It would put me. Oh, look at that one, guys. We've also longed it on my Lucid, the big belly accounts plus this Lucid Pro. We have worked hard. We're about to break even. We're about to break even. That's going to be incredible. Saving the account from a loss of 4,000, having the max loss 4,500. Look at that. This is the account we're talking about. Come on. I sold the contract. I'm fully out here. 266, guys. That's crazy. And I think we're out from the other side to 1,994. That's huge, guys. Celebration time. We just made some massive movements here. Oh my god. This is perfect, guys. We recovered. We recovered the account. Oh, damn. The big belly is making money, and it's not an issue. And it's no surprise, that's fine. But we recovered, guys. With minis. On Lucid, we recovered with minis. Attention, please. With minis, and we were at the New York session opening time. Exactly. Surviving through the sharks with minis. Sorry to hear that. How did I know? How did I know? I like this combination basically of price action that we have here. The previous high was delivering 210, was giving out multiple rejections and lack of acceptance from the beaters. Lack of acceptance, the price action to continue lower on a meaningful level after we had some nice pullbacks. The higher time frames are bullish. That's a very important thing. You don't want to trade in contradiction with that. I'm still holding on this because I'm bullish for a higher time frame. Not going to trade this account anymore today. 266. I'll take that profit because this was about to be lost. I'm really happy on the blue sky, guys. We only need 2,000 more and we pass the evaluation. 200k static. Yeah. 2,000. We gotta do 6,000 and we have wow, look at a scam, guys. Wow, this is a massive scam candle. Oh, look at that. Now that's a serious double top, a serious one. I'm not gonna waste my time in a long there. I got out of my position. We're not gonna waste time there. Wow. So targeting the 160s. Might mean the new business. We got in a short in the meantime, so we jumped out of the long we had. Reversed in a short. We're making that one back. Very happy about the blue sky. Sitting on 204 with a target on 206. We have a drawdown of 6,000. That's static. So right now we're trading 2,000 target against a 6,000 static drawdown. Bring it back. Yeah. So that's a massive achievement, but the biggest achievement of the day, guys, is how we saved this Lucid Pro. That's the biggest achievement of the day. Yeah. On minis, 500 bucks drawdown, trading the opening. Save that account. I'm a little consumed. Not able to focus that much, which is why we only trade the big belly, and it's, you know, we have enough money there to... We're not trading anything else, guys. Time for the giveaways. Come on, let's get started. Let's get started with the giveaways. Yesterday we made 50k on the big belly. Obviously not trying to lose today, but just pointing that out. Let me have an exit off the big belly around 160. 170 is 8,000 bucks, 8,800. $9,000 on 170s. Look at that. We have our take profit. Good. So we need the ducks, we need the whale, and we need Formalo. How to join, how to participate the giveaway. And the giveaways is pretty simple. Complete the form. The form stands for today's giveaways. Wow. I have not exited of that. I have not exited for that. Then the next thing, as usually, guys, you gotta like this video, you gotta be subscribed to this YouTube channel. Keep in mind, you can turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, usually at 8:30 a.m. EST time, with a lot of trading, education, and great giveaways. And then you gotta be part of our Discord community. These are the mandatory things to do in order to join. And then it's gonna be a simple game when guessing the number. So I'll put numbers in the wheel and you gotta guess the number. So first giveaway will be 3 accounts of 50k from Blusky. 3 accounts of 50k from Blusky. That's gonna be the first giveaway. We're gonna have 3 winners. And we're gonna have the following numbers. 1, 2, 3. Really simple, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Start right now. Let me know your best choice. Come on, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Market is still holding that 200s. I don't know for how long. Keep them coming. Keep them rolling. Ha ha ha. I don't know for how long the market is planning to hold this level of 200s. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. We're gonna shuffle the list. And wish you best of luck. No, I'm not playing. That's gonna be number 1, guys. It's gonna be number 1. I like that number 1, guys. I feel like that's gonna be number 1. Yeah. We're stopping it here with a pedal. We're gonna stop it here with a pedal. Congratulations for the winners. That's a good job. Congratulations. So what's next? Yeah. Well, the ducks. Ducklings. 61 winners, 30 seconds, 31 second competition time. 31 seconds. Yeah. Best of luck, everyone. You know who's winning? Simple. The second plus the fourth plus the sixth. These are the ones that are winning. I'll repeat. The second, the fourth, and the sixth. They are the ones winning. Second, fourth, sixth. Pacemaker leading on the right. No. Who is the second, fourth, and sixth? Congratulations. Oh, Mr. Knife Art. How did you manage to be third? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh. Jason, you got this one. Destiny, you got this one. And Rundle Paul Trader, you got this one as well. You guys got it. Time for me to verify. Peacemaker is no longer going to be a pacemaker. After this big L. So we have basically Jason. Jason is here. Congratulations, Jason. Destiny. Destiny. Where are... Let me see this way. There you go. That's fine. That's fine, Destiny. I bet you do. And run Paul Trader. Paul Trader is here as well. All the three guys got to be confirmed. Congratulations. Congratulations, fellas. Good job. Continuing with the next one. Continuing with the next one. What is this price action doing? Wow. Inexplicable. The next giveaway is going to be about Lucid. 50,000 Lucid Pro. We're doing 50,000 Lucid Pro, guys. Ha 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 ha. 50,000 Lucid Pro. I bet you like that. Watch out for the numbers. May I have your attention? Watch out for the numbers. We're going to have a 00, 11, single number 2, single 3, single 4, single 5. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. I'll repeat that. 00, 11. Then everything is single. Number 2, 3, 4, 5 comes out single. Best of luck, guys. Wow, what's happening with this price action? It is driving them nuts. It is driving them nuts. Barcoding but not breaking the 200s. Ha ha ha. Putting out green candles. Stop right there. No more guesses. No multiple choices, buddy. Safe. How do you think a giveaway makes sense and a competition makes sense if you would be allowed to go on all the numbers? Shuffle, here we are. What's wrong with you, buddy? Ha 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 ha. What an enjoyable price action. I think... Are we gonna stop here? Number 5? Probably. Because I stopped pushing the pedal. Number 5 for the winners. That was close for that number 2. Oh yeah. Number 5 for the winners. Congratulations. Good job. It's just 25 players competing for a Lucid Pro. 30 seconds competition time. Let's go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. We have another round of giveaways. 100k after this. Well, look at a Maddie. A best ranked is winning. Look at a Maddie. Maddie is leading on a Lucid Pro. Oh. Mr. Ben. I think you got this, Mr. Ben. Congratulations. Congratulations, Spider-Man. Maddie's not even top 10. Oh. Congratulations. Mr. Ben, you got this. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Oh yeah. Did you fill out the form? Yes. Congratulations, buddy. Good job. You'll have to reach out to me on Discord. Continuing, guys, with the next giveaways. We're running 3 accounts in this one and sharing 100k. First is $25,000 Top 1 Futures instant funded. Ignite. Second rank will have a $25,000 FundedSeat Flex account, and the third ranked will have a 50k YRM. Like a punishment, right? We got in a short, guys. We got in a short on my Lucid Pro. We managed to save it. Look at this, guys. This is the account we managed to save it earlier. We got in a short. Very aggressive. 7 minis short. Give me a few seconds to handle this trade. This is the account we saved today. And I have my full target, 3,000 bucks, if we get to that green line. 201. Come on. Drop. Yeah. We'll see what's gonna happen here. We'll see soon. We'll see soon. Market is not leaving anywhere. Yeah. I'll be getting out of this. This is going ugly. I'll be getting out of this. All right. So watch out for the numbers. Double 0, double 2, single 7, single 8. You can start right now. Double 0, double 2, single 7, single 8. Come on, guys. You gotta be good. I still haven't exited. Look at that. Can we hit our target? I have 8 minutes short. Can we hit our target? I'm going break even. I'm out. 2,523, guys. That's insane, man. We saved this one from being close $500 shy of max loss. We had 4,000 down. The big bellies are making money, that's fine. We have a take profit for them. But that is insane, guys. So we protected the accounts and made 2,500. How much did we make? We made 6,500 in total. Oh, look at that. The big belly hit the target, guys. Beautiful. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. No, that's just crazy, guys. Made 6,500 profit when you have a $500 drawdown. And now we're so close. So close. To go with the payouts. Where are the fireworks? This is gonna be the 5th account. 5th funded, ready for payouts. Boom. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, shuffle, and here we go. Wow. Some guys are going with... Who's going with number 6? That's going to be number 8, guys. It's going to be number 8. It is. Congratulations for the winners in number 8. Oh, the adrenaline is so high. The adrenaline is so high with that account. Remember, we traded minis on the New York session. We traded minis on the New York session with a $500. If you don't risk, you don't drink champagne. That's the way it goes in life. 34 winners, set, go. Let's get it. Let's get ready, guys. Come on. Let's get ready. Oh, that's good, Cabrera. Number 8. Time for you to win. Who's speeding? We got 3 winners, the top 3. Sadish. Sadish is here. Anton for the 2nd, and Anfers for the 3rd. Congratulations, look at that. Badger on the 8th. Oh, so Badger is copying the number from the wheel. Look at that. He has a secret code. Badger. I should go number 1 on the wheel if you do that, right? Haha. Look at that. You want to see your ranking, Cabrera? Oh, yeah. There you go. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners. Market is going to the level we preached. And you see the arrows. They are sitting there for 30 minutes already. Oh, I gotta take... Yeah, I didn't saw your name. Let me verify for those... Did you fill up the form, Sadish? Did you fill up the form? Yes, Sadish, yes. Anton. Sadish, you have the tap on futures ignite. Anton, you have the 25,000 flex. And Anfers is having the YRM. Congratulations. Oh, oh, oh. Good job, guys. This has been a hell of a stream. Wow. I can't believe we made it. So we're talking about a Lucid Pro account. Look at that, this one. It's the 5th. 4 accounts are ready for PAL. We posted about it in our Discord. For the 5th, we're trading the Lucid Pro here. Funded stage. 2 days of trading so far. And we were $500 away of losing it today. 4,000 down. And then recovered 4,000 and made on top of that 2,500 profits. You know, we've got here, look at that one. We've got here 155. Yeah. And we need 157,600. So we need $2,100 more in the next whatever days. 2,100 more. You're good. Good job, guys. There you go, Maddie. Yeah, I guess this was the price to break that. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely, beautiful day. Talk to you. Have a good chat. Have a good one. Thank you, guys. Peace.